Hello and welcome to this revision session on trig addition formula, and in particular we're looking at the Rsin brackets theta plus alpha. Okay, and here is our project or our problem, and it says express 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta in the form r sine into theta minus alpha. And the second part says hence state the maximum value of 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. If we now equate both sides, we have that 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta is equivalent to r sine into theta minus alpha. If we now expand the right hand side, isolating r, we have that sin theta cos alpha minus sin alpha cos theta. If we expand the bracket, open up the bracket, we have that r sin theta cos alpha minus r sin alpha cos theta is equivalent to 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. If we now equate the coefficients, now on the left hand side, the coefficient of sin theta is r cos alpha, and on the right hand side the coefficient of sin theta is 2. On the left hand side, or from the left hand side, the coefficient of cos theta is minus r sin alpha, and on the right hand side the coefficient of cos theta is minus 3. If we now square the respective coefficient on both sides, we have that r cos alpha all squared is equal to 2 squared. And similarly, minus r sin alpha all squared is equal to minus 3 squared. And minus 3 squared is 9 and 2 squared is 4. So if we add the left hand side squares and the right hand side squares, we have that r cos alpha squared plus minus r sin alpha squared is equal to 4 plus 9, which is 13. If we now isolate r squared, we have that r squared into cos alpha squared plus sin alpha squared is 13, which then means that r is the square root of 13. Now, eventually that means that 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to root 13 sin theta minus alpha. Moving on, root 13 cos alpha, because root 13 is r, so root 13 cos alpha is 2, which means that cos alpha is 2 over root 13. Similarly, minus the square root of 13 sin alpha is equal to minus 3, which means that sin alpha is minus 3 divided by minus root 13, which is 3 over 13. For tan alpha, if we divide minus root 13 sin alpha by root 13 cos alpha, now that becomes minus 3 over 2, and because you got minus on both sides, now tan alpha is now 3 over 2. Now cos alpha is positive, so is sin alpha, and so is tan alpha, which then means that alpha must be in the first quadrant, and alpha is 56.3. So 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta then becomes the square root of 13 sin theta minus 56.3 degrees. For the second part, the maximum is square root of 13, because if you plot a graph of root 13 sin theta minus 56.3, the amplitude is square root of 13, and that's your answer. I hope all that makes sense, and please get in touch and let me know how you feel about it. And if you got any topics you want me to upload, I should do my best to oblige. I hope that's fine, and have a good day, and see you again sometime. Bye bye now.